Hello, wonderful folks. Ever found yourself daydreaming about turning a watermelon into a full-blown meal? If so, get comfy, because we're diving into the delicious world of raw veganism. Step 1. Raw vegan in a nutshell. Alright, here's the scoop. Raw veganism? It's all about munching on fruits, veggies, nuts, and seeds without heating them above 118 degrees Fahrenheit, 48 degrees Celsius. So basically, your stove gets to chill while your blender becomes your BFF. Step 2. But why, though? Why go raw? Some are chasing radiant health benefits. Some want to tread lightly on our beautiful earth. And some just can't say no to the sweet song of a fresh berry. Whatever floats your boat, there's magic to discover here. Step 3. Kitchen makeover time. First stop, a delightful shopping spree. Hoard colorful fruits, crunchy veggies, nuts, and seeds. Invest in a blender for those dreamy smoothies, a food processor, and perhaps a dehydrator for crispy treats. Pro tip: bring along those eco-friendly shopping bags. The earth might just send you a wink. Step 4. Ease into it. Before going all out, dabble in the raw realm. Toss in a raw dish with your daily meals. Soon, that occasional bowl of fruity goodness might evolve into your morning ritual. Step 5. Embrace the ups and downs. Some days, the aroma of cooked food might make your knees weak. Hey, no judgment. Remember, it's a journey. And sometimes the best views come after the hardest climb. Step 6. Get creative. Shake things up. Have you sampled a raw cheesecake? Or zucchini spaghetti paired with creamy cashew sauce? If not, your taste buds are in for a wild ride. Step 7. Connect and grow. Everything's better with buddies. Check out local raw vegan gatherings or dive into online communities. Sharing a quirky recipe or a quick tip with fellow enthusiasts feels like a sunlit hug. Step 8. Stay curious. Soak up knowledge. Books, videos, workshops, there's always something new on the raw horizon, waiting for you to take a bite or a read. Step 9. Think of it like this. Imagine raw veganism as a playground. Initially, it's all swings and slides with no clue where to start. But with some play, patience, and a dash of creativity, you're soon soaring on the swing, feeling the wind in your hair. Step #10. Champion yourself. Every crunchy lettuce, every juicy mango bite, you're crafting an amazing story for you and the world around. So dance a little jig, or at the very least, sneak in an extra grape or two. Step 11. Snack attack alert. Oh, the joys of raw snacks. Be it crunchy kale chips or gooey date delights, your snack game is about to level up. Step 12. Your body knows. It's wise. Feel fabulous. Keep going. Need some tweaks? Do it. This isn't a one-size-fits-all deal. It's tailored by you, for you. Step 13. Get juicy. Dabble in juicing. Fresh green juices or vibrant beet blends can be a game changer. Plus, it's like sipping on sunshine. Step 14. Raw on the go. Master the art of raw travel snacks. From nutmeg haze to fruit leathers, be ready for adventures anytime. Step 15. Celebrate seasonality. Embrace what's in season. Strawberries in summer or squashes in fall, sync with nature's rhythm. Step 16. Master the soak. Unlock the potential of nuts and seeds with soaking. It's like waking them up from a deep slumber, and they become easier to digest. Alright, dear viewers, before we wrap up, here's a little question to stir your thoughts. What's one raw dish or snack you're eager to master? Drop your answers below. Your curiosity might spark someone else's raw vegan adventure. And hey, if you've been vibing with this guide, do us a favor. Hit that subscribe button and join us on this vibrant journey. Let's explore, taste, and celebrate the raw vegan wonderland together. Cheers to delicious adventures ahead.